A lot of health and wellness professionals struggle to get people booking calls with them. And if people don't book calls, they can't sell their program, no matter how good it is. And that's what your marketing needs to do. It needs to get people excited to take the next step with you. And one of the best places to do that is with your signature system. Unfortunately, most people don't craft a signature system that actually excites people. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix that. I'm Nicole Piper. I work with health and wellness professionals who care deeply about helping people, but they hate marketing, especially when it feels forced, sleazy, or somehow manipulative. That's why I created the trust-based marketing method, a way to attract clients with messaging that feels authentic and aligned. Because when your message feels true to you, people feel it too. Now, your signature system is one of the most powerful tools you have in your business. When it's done right, it pre-sells people before you ever get on a call with them, gets them excited to work with you, and it positions you as the obvious choice. But when it's done wrong, it just sounds like another program and people tune out. So now let's talk about the 3 most common mistakes I see health and wellness professionals make when crafting their signature system and what to do instead. So mistake number 1 is turning your program steps into a signature system. This is the most common mistake I see. A lot of coaches think their signature system is just the steps inside their program, but it's not. Your signature system is a marketing message, not a course outline. Your program is how you deliver results. Your signature system is how you communicate those results in a way that excites people. When you just list out steps like test, assess, or analyze, it sounds like work. It doesn't create desire. Your signature system should make people feel hope and anticipation. Each step should point to a transformation they want, not a task they'll have to do. Mistake number 2 is including too many steps. I see people trying to include everything you do in your program in their signature system, and what happens is you end up with a 6 or 7 step system that overwhelms people before they've even booked a call. The sweet spot is 3 steps. 3 steps feels complete but doable. It gives people a clear roadmap from where they are now to where they want to be. And when they can see that path, they feel confident that your system can get them there. That sense of confidence is what turns curiosity into commitment to taking the next step. All right, mistake number 3 is making it sound informational instead of transformational. This is the mistake that costs the most sales. Even if your system is clear and concise, if it doesn't sound transformational, it won't get people excited. Too many coaches use informational steps, things like assess, plan, or evaluate. Those sound like tasks, not transformation. People don't buy tasks, they buy outcomes. Let me show you an example of a signature system for a program that helps emotional eaters. So step 1 is release hidden triggers. This step reveals to people that there's something going on that's outside of their control, and that by releasing it, they can finally take back control. That message alone is powerful because it gives them hope and helps them feel empowered. All right, step 2 is eliminate uncontrollable cravings. Now, for a lot of people, this overcomes a huge objection. Many believe they can't stick to any plan because their cravings are too strong. You're showing them that you have a way to fix the very thing that's been sabotaging them. And step 3, restore hormonal balance. This gives them a clear, tangible benefit, body that naturally lets go of excess weight. That's the outcome they want most. Each of these steps connects emotionally because they speak to the potential client's desires and frustrations. They're benefit-driven and build belief that change is possible. When your signature system does that, when it taps into what people are already thinking and feeling, everything changes. It builds trust before you even talk to them. It pre-sells your program, and it gets people genuinely excited to work with you because they can see the transformation before it even begins. That's how you move from being one more coach in a crowded space to being the obvious choice. If you want more tools and insights to help you build a profitable health or wellness business based on trust, subscribe to my Substack. It's free. There are already dozens of articles that go deep into how to create messaging that attracts the right people and makes your business thrive. I'll drop a link to it in the description. So if this video helped you rethink how you talk about your signature system, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.